Go visit the snow, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Who thinks freezing is fun? Hey, eyes on me. 'Cause I can see them drooping. Don't do the whole the snow feels warm routine with me, alright? I will drag your ass back if I have to. Don't test me. Why the fuck would I be worried? What's there to be worried about when we're in the middle of some snow-covered forest with barely any reception and no idea how we're gonna get back? Of course it's sarcasm. Jesus, did you hit your head when you tripped? You did. Look at me. Let me see your eyes. Oh no. Your pupils are dilated. That's... Okay. We need to get out of here. Find somewhere to warm up. There was a cave back there. It was a shallow cave. Besides, there are no bears around here, dummy. Not in this part of the country. Hey. Can you walk? Hey! Alright. Come here. What does it look like? I'm giving you a ride. Get on my back. Gotta do everything myself. You stay awake, alright? No nap time. Got it? Hey! I said no nap time. Tell me a story. I don't care anything. Yeah, that one. Tell me that one. That's not true, and you know it. Hey, keep talking. What do you mean by that, huh? What do you mean I'm mean? You know I tease you because I love you, right? I do love you. Hey! Hey! Listen to me, alright? I love you, okay? More than anything. You think I'm just carrying you in the middle of the snow-covered forest just because? Shit. Hey! Keep talking to me. Please. Keep talking. Anything. Tell me about the cat. Yeah, that one. Tell me that story. I know. It's just a bit longer. I can see the cave. Keep talking. Hey, don't go limp on me. Damn it. Hey, hey. Don't do this. Don't sleep now. You can't sleep now. Eyes open. Wake up. There you are. Hey, you're back. You're okay. Hang in there. No. It's okay, I'm not mad at you. I'm scared, okay? Yeah, you finally scared me. See? Can't go to sleep? Gotta gloat, right? Hold it over my head? Exactly. I'm scared because I'm so madly in love with you. And I don't want you to go somewhere that I can't follow, alright? Look at me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I don't think before I speak. The feelings thing. It's hard for me. But I love you. I've always loved you. So don't you dare think of checking out on me, alright? We need a fire. Shit. Hey! You need to stay awake, okay? Can you do that for me? Please. Okay. I'll be quick. Hold on. I've got a match here somewhere. Yeah, well, I bet you're glad that I overpacked then. Voila. Okay. Come here. Easy. We gotta get out of these wet clothes. Afraid modesty ain't gonna cut it at the moment. Besides, not like I've never seen you in your underwear before. Jesus, you're frozen. Hey, don't even think about sleeping. Because you've got a head injury and you're frozen. Sleeping is a very bad idea. Help is coming. Someone has to have noticed that we're gone by now and call for help. Besides, I think I managed to get a call out before the signal jammed. So look, we just need to warm up and hang in there. I know you are, and you can sleep later. I promise. Look, I'm not a doctor yet, but anyone can tell that you're not in a good state. Yeah, all those late nights studying do pay off. Love. Because I do love you. And you know that I do. I'm sorry if I made you feel like I didn't. That was never my intention. Damn it. You've always been able to get me like this. I love you. I know I don't express that as well as I could, but it's true. I love you. Only you. So if you tie on me right now, I'm gonna have to drag you back to yell at you. Oh, I will though. So eyes open. Get closer to the fire. I don't want to get sick either now. The clothes will dry, and then we can put them back on. Jesus, you're shaking. Come here. Friction. It will help generate heat. Don't fade out on me, alright? I am worried. Well, I'm glad you find that amusing. Nah, I don't care. As long as you stay with me. Make fun of me all you want. Just keep talking. Doesn't matter. Anything, everything. Just talk. Please. Yeah? What made you think of that? No, I remember. That crappy car of yours. I thought I was gonna blow up in the parking lot. Exactly. Smoke everywhere. No, none of that. Because you're gonna be fine. I know I'm not a doctor yet, but I'll be damned if you leave me like this. Keep talking. Come on. I'm here with you. I'm not leaving you. Don't talk like that. Because we're getting out of this. I promise. Hey, do you hear that? Help! It's almost here! Love? Hey! Hey! No, 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 no. Don't do this. No! Wake up! Wake up! Right now! Damn it! Hey! We're in here! I'm fine. It's them. They fell and hit their head. Love, open your eyes. Are they gonna be okay? No, I'm fine. Look at them. They need help. Hey, don't you dare leave. You're awake. They've tried. I refused. Because why would I need to be anywhere but here right now? Hey, I said I'm fine. Focus on you. You had a concussion. Mild hypothermia. Dehydration. You were in a rough spot. I've been treated, okay? I'm good. Yeah, well, the bags under my eyes are from you, dummy. I'm sorry. I was scared. Yeah. Really scared. I didn't want to let you out of my sight. Those few hours they treated me, torture. So yeah, I signed out AMA as soon as I could. Lecture me later. Just let me be here with you. You said something back then. That I was mean to you. That you didn't know where I stood with you. No, I do need to talk about it. I need to tell you. You're the most important thing to me. Period. And I'm not good with the word things, but I will try to show you every single day just how important you are to me. I love you. Okay? Is that clear enough for you? Good. Nuh-uh. Because you still have a concussion. Doc still wants to monitor you. Well, I'm not a doctor yet. Just stay put. Please. Love you too. No. Definitely not. I'm thinking the beach. Exactly. Warm and sunny. No, love. No more snow ever again. Now get some rest. Doc will be in here soon. 'Cause you're yawning and you need to sleep? Don't argue with me. You know I'm right. Go to sleep, love.